Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Boondi curry. Yes, you heard it right. It's Boondi curry, which is very easy to make and which requires less than 10 minutes for preparation. So let's get started. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadai or pan. Add some cashew and fry them till they are golden brown in color. Once they are done, transfer them to a bowl and keep it aside. Now to the same oil, add 2 red chillies cut into small pieces and add a few curry leaves. Give it a stir. Now add the coarsely ground onion. Saute it for a minute or two. Then add 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion and stir it till the onion turns into light brown color. Now add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix well till the raw smell goes off. To this add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder to it. Stir it well so that all the ingredients are mixed well. Now add a little water and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the water evaporates, add the boondi to it and mix well. Now add 1/4 cup of milk to it and also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to it. Give it a stir and now cover the pan with the lid. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Now open the lid, give it a stir. And add the fried cashew to the curry and mix it well. Add salt if needed according to your taste, as the boondi already has salt in it. Delicious boondi curry is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice, dal or rasam. Do give it a try.